In this video, I'll show you how to install CapCut on PC. First, open your web browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type CapCut for PC, then press Enter. Look for the official CapCut website in the results. It is best to download CapCut from the official website so you avoid fake installers or unsafe files. Once you are on the CapCut website, look for the option that says Download for Windows or Download for PC. Click the Download button, and the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Find the CapCut installer file, then double-click it to start the installation. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal step when installing software. Now follow the installation instructions on the screen. In most cases, you only need to click Install and wait while CapCut installs on your computer. The process may take a little time, depending on your internet speed and your computer performance. When the installation is finished, you should see an option to open CapCut right away. Click Open or Launch. You can also find CapCut later by clicking the Windows Start menu and searching for CapCut. When CapCut opens for the first time, you may be asked to sign in. You can sign in with your TikTok account, Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or another available option, depending on what CapCut shows in your region. Signing in is helpful because it may let you sync projects, access cloud features, use templates, and save your editing preferences. To begin using CapCut, click Create Project or New Project. Then import your videos, images, music, or other files from your computer. You can also install CapCut from the Microsoft Store if it is available in your region. Open the Microsoft Store, search for CapCut, choose the official app, and click Get or Install. Once CapCut is installed and opened successfully, you are ready to start editing videos on your PC. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.